Hello everyone. My name is Anwar, and today I am going to discuss about in this video we are going to discuss about applications of stacks and what is the stacks, and there we will look after some real life examples of stack also. Yeah, so let me quickly walk you through the what is stack. So stack is just nothing but just we can take it as an array, but stack is the stack has some little bit difference from the array, like array supports unshift, like let's suppose we are having one array of 1 to n elements. 1 to n elements we are having an array. So array provides some facilities, like we can get this last element as well, and we can remove this last element as well, and we can remove this first element as well. We can get this first element. But if I talk about a stack, then stack is a similar data structure to that. But in the stack don't support stack don't support the removing of elements from the last or from the first. So just for imagination, like this is an stack. Let me zoom it. So this is in stack, and if I let me wait a second, please. So this is an empty stack basically. So in the empty stack, I can see we can imagine it like this. And in the empty stack, we are pushing elements one by one. So one is getting pushed into the stack, and after one is getting pushed into the stack, uh, we will push another element on it. So as soon as we push another element, so basically initially first was on top, but now two will be on top. And after that, if we push one more element, then that element will be on top. And if we push one more element, then that element also will be on top. And if we try to remove an element, so then topest element will be getting removed from the stack. So these properties of stack makes it different from the array, like how it can be different. So this is these many properties are get, and we can in some crucial DSA problems, we can apply these properties, and we can get some very good algorithms to solve the problems. And I will show you some real life examples of stack also. So first of all, let me discuss how in how many cases like this these many problems are applicable. So just imagine we are having a graph and in this graph there are lots and lots of bars, like this, like this, like this, like this, and these many bars we are having. So please ignore this. Bars are not straight. So let me name it as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and lots and lots of bars can be also possible. So we need to find like which how many bars are how many bars are greater than this, or which is the first bar that is greater than this A bar. So we can say, like, for A it is B, for A it is B, which is the first greatest. And for B, which one is first greatest? Then for B there is no greatest, so we can say there is no. So for the denial we can say either 0, -1, whatever could be it. And for the for the C, we can clearly see like D is the solution. And for the E, we can see F is the solution. For the D, we can't see any more solutions, so it will be 0. And for the E, there is F, so we can write here F. And for the F, here is no element, so we can write 0. For the G, it is H, and for H, there is no element, so we can write here 0. And for the I, because there is no any element, so we can write 0 here also. So, so how could we approach this problem? if we got this problem, then how will be the what will be the possible solution of? So first solution comes into our mind, like we should solve this by brute force. Like we will be brute forcing this problem, and we will be uh, finding one by one. Like we will running a for loop from one each and every element. We will iterate on each and every element, and when we got first greater, we will break the loop, break the jth loop, and we will return that. And if we didn't get any greater element, we will return zero. So in this manner, we can get the solution from both brute force. But if we can try this problem with stack, then this problem will be made very easy like this. So for this application, we just need to iterate from the back, and we need to store the elements and pop the accordingly. So it will reduce the time complexity from n square to, we can think the problem solution in just n order of n time. If we are doing it by order of n square, we will be able to do this order of n. Yeah, so that's it. And there are some real life example, like stack of coins. Have you ever observed, like when you place a coin on a table? So first of all, you will be placing first coin, then on the table second coin, third coin, and so. And stack of plates, like you are putting. You have seen in weddings, there are lots and lots of plates are put it just like stacks, first, second, third, and so forth. Can of tennis ball. Have you ever buy the can of tennis balls? Like, have you ever seen? So in the tennis can, there are tennis balls like this. So we can take out only the toppest ball. We can't withdraw the this ball. We can't withdraw. We need to cut the container. So that's not an appropriate way. And just like that, we can we can't remove this book. If we remove this book, then whole the stack will the whole the structure will destroy. And yeah, so we can get the first book. If we remove first book, then only we need to we can remove second book, then third, and so forth. Yeah, so this were the understanding about this topic, and thank you so much for bringing this opportunity to me. I hope this really finds good, and if you like this, then please do subscribe my channel.